Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you my rooster that I have. Sadly, all my other ones died. I think we might still have one alive, but we've lost a lot more. We lost, let's see here, 2 chickens, 2 other of our chickens, but I think we still have one little guy in here. Yep, see right, see him? Wait, let me go. I haven't seen this guy in a while. This guy right here. He's our rooster. He's our only survivor we have. So, let me just see if he's not going to be stubborn today. Come on, buddy. Okay, I got him. Okay. Okay, this is my chicken. I think he's a little interested to what it is. But this is one of our only chickens we have anymore. We lost all of our other ones. I used to take this guy for walks every day. So I'm just gonna take a walk with you guys. He's a good chicken. Just gonna take him home. Show you some of my other parts about my yard. Also, I have a frisbee somewhere, a football over there, soccer ball in there. She's kind of wants to get out, but okay. See, here's my frisbee. Something light up one. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching the video. Let's just show you how my rooster looks, and see you later, guys. Peace.